Hello, this is a quick review of the Jordan ADG 4 golf shoes. Comes in a black box, and this is the black cement colorway. As you can see, it is inspired by Jordan 3 black cements. It's got leather upper with some Jordan 12 detailing. Leather sock liner with some Jordan 3 elephant print detail, and rubber midsole. Actually, not sure what kind of foam it is, but it doesn't specify, but it is very rubbery and soft. Don't think there's air, but I think you'll get the job done. Pretty good quality leather upper with some perforations, thin rope laces, some perforations, and Jordan logo all around. And speaking of rubber, we got a clear rubber outsole, very spiky, but it is harmless, so should be good for all conditions except when it's too slippery. And there you have it, Jordan 3 ADG 4 golf shoes in black cement colorway. Should fit true to size for most, but if you're the type of person who goes half a size up in running shoes or Jordan 1s, they look pretty slim, excuse me. So if you can try it on, do it, but half a size up if you want to play it safe.